Hi everyone. In this video, we talk about our new topic, sex determination. The first question is, what do you mean by sex determination? Sex determination means whether the developing or born child is male or female. Next question is, who is responsible for sex determination? That is, the chromosomes are responsible for sex determination. So, we continue our topic of discussion here. This is a human cell. What is present inside the human cell? We all know that is nucleus. What is inside the nucleus? 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in each cell of the human being, out of which 22 pairs of chromosomes, we call them autosomes, which do not responsible for sex determination. So they do not help in sex determination. Only the third pair of chromosome, that is 23rd pair of chromosome, which we called as sex chromosome, sex pair of chromosomes, and we also call them allosomes, which is responsible for sex determination. So out of 23 pairs of chromosome, only 23rd pair of chromosome is responsible for sex determination, which is also known as sex pair of chromosomes, and we also call them allosomes. Now the next question arises कि human being में gestation period is 9 months. So at what time it is decided the child may be male or female? So it is only the act of fertilization which decide whether the child may be male or female. What happens at the time of fertilization? This is the female gamete, that is egg. When male gamete sperm come in contact with the egg, both fuse together to forms the zygote. So when sperm combine with egg, this is the time when the sex is determined. The child may be male or female. So at the time of fertilization, that is the sex is determined whether the child is male or female. There is a person, the name of that person is Henking. He was working with insect. He observed a X body in sperm at the time of spermatogenesis. He was working with insect. The process of spermatogenesis के टाइम पर he observed X body in sperm. X body means that is unknown body. Henkin was not of idea that is X chromosome exists in nature and they are responsible for sex determination. Henkin को कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि X क्रोमोसोम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं और X क्रोमोसोम जो है सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन में रोल प्ले करते हैं. लेटर ऑन दिस X बॉडी is named as X chromosome And now we have an idea that X chromosome is responsible for the determination of sex. So in this video we are going to talk about the different types of sex determination which exist in nature in different organisms. In nature we observe two types of sex determination. One is male heterogamety and the second one is female heterogamety. As the name indicate, what happens in case of male heterogamety? Hetero means different and gamety means gametes. So it means different types of gametes are produced. In case of male heterogamety, what happens? Male produces two different types of gametes in terms of sex chromosome. We are not talking about the autosomes. We are here only talking about the sex chromosome which is responsible for sex determination. And in case of female heterogamy, what happens? As the name indicates, females produces two different types of gametes and the male produces only one type of gamete. Male is homogamety in case of female heterogamety. So first we will discuss the male heterogamety. It is again of two type, that is XXXY type and XXXO type. So first we will talk about the XXXY type. We discuss such type of sex determination in case of human being and Drosophila. In case of human being and Drosophila, as we know, in case of human being there are 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pairs are autosomes and 1 pair is of sex chromosome. So यहाँ पर हम सेक्स क्रोमोसोम को लेकर चलेंगे सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन को डिस्कस करने के लिए. ड्रोसोफिला के केस में 4 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, 3 पेयर्स और ऑटोसोम्स एंड 1 पेयर ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम, जैसे कि ह्यूमन बीइंग में 1 पेयर ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट है. तो सेम टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन वी ऑब्जर्व इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमंस एंड ड्रोसोफिला. व्हाट हैपन्स? Male has the genotype XY and female has the genotype XX. So male is heterogamety here. It produces two types of gametes. One type of gamete containing X chromosome and other type of gamete containing Y chromosome. Female has the genotype XX, so it produces only one type of gamete. So gamete consists of only X chromosome. Now we place these gametes into our checkerboard. This is our checkerboard. Gamete of females we placed here and gamete of male we placed here. When the XX combine, XX type of combination is produced and the child will be female. And when X combined with Y, XY combination produces and the male child will be produced. So in this case male is heterogamitic, produces two types of gametes, and female is homogamitic, only produces one type of gamete. With XX combination female will be produced and with XY combination male will be produced. Second type of male heterogamety we observed in case of certain insects. In NCERT there is an example of grasshopper. So in case of grasshopper, XXXO type of sex determination we observe in nature. What happens in case of XXXO type of sex determination? The male is heterogamitic with genotype XO and female is homogamitic with genotype XX. In case of grasshopper, female consists of 24 number of chromosome and male consists of 1 chromosome less than the female. एक क्रोमोसोम मेल में कम होता है फीमेल से, तो मेल की जो जीनोटाइप सेक्स क्रोमोसोम की XO है. इट मीन्स एक क्रोमोसोम यहाँ पर लेस होता है जिसको हम O से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो मेल इन दिस केस प्रोड्यूसेस टू टाइप्स ऑफ गैमेट. वन टाइप ऑफ गैमेट कंटेनिंग X chromosome and the other type of gamete consist of no chromosome, no sex chromosome in them. And the female is homogamitic, it produces only one type of gamete which consists of X chromosome. Now we place these gametes in the checkerboard. चेकर में हमने फीमेल के गैमेट को यहाँ पर प्लेस किया है और मेल के गैमेट को हमने यहाँ पर प्लेस किया है. ऑन फ्यूजन व्हेन XX combine, then female will be produced, and when XO combine, XO combination produce and male will be produced. So in such type of sex determination which is known as male heterogamety, male produces two types of gametes and female produces only one type of gamete. Now we discuss the next type of sex determination which we observe in nature is the female heterogamety. In case of female heterogamety, as we already discussed, here female is heterogametic, that is produces two different types of gametes, and the male is homogametic which produces only one type of gamete. अगर इस सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन में भी हम एक्स वाई सेक्स क्रोमोसोम को लेते हैं तो थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूज़न होगा, इसीलिए फीमेल हेट्रोगेमिटी में हम एक्स को जेड से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं और वाई को डब्ल्यू से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. तो सेक्स क्रोमोसोम हम यहाँ पर जेड और डब्ल्यू लेकर डिस्कस करेंगे, तो हमारे लिए जो समझना है थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाएगा, कन्फ्यूजिंग नहीं होगा. तो व्हाट हैपन इन केस ऑफ फीमेल हेट्रोगेमिटी? Female heterogamety is again of two type. First type is ZZ ZW type and second type is ZZ ZO type. What happens in case of ZZ ZW type? We observe this in nature in case of birds like fowls, and in some fishes also we observe such type of sex determination. What happens here in case of male? Because male in this case is homogametic with genotype ZZ, and female in this case is heterogametic, so its genotype is ZW. So male in this case homogametic है, तो it produces only one type of gamete which consists of the Z chromosome, and female is heterogametic, so it forms the two types of gamete, one type of gamete containing Z chromosome and the other type of gamete containing W. Now we place these gametes in the checkerboard. What we observe here, gamete of female we placed here and the gamete of male we placed on the other side. When ZZ combine, ZZ combination produce, and this ZZ combination से male produce होगा, and when Z containing gamete combine with W containing gamete, तो ZW combination produce होता है and it will give rise to female. Second type of female heterogamety we observe in nature is the ZZZO type. In case of cockroaches, some butterflies and moths, we observe such type of sex determination. So male is with ZZ sex chromosome and female consists of ZO sex chromosome. So male produces one type of gamete which consists of Z chromosome, and female produces two types of gamete. One type of gamete consists of Z chromosome, and the other type of chromosome consists of gamete consists of no sex chromosome in them. We place these gametes into the checkerboard. Gametes of the female we placed here and the gamete of male we placed here. When Z containing gamete fuses with Z containing gamete, so ZZ combination arises and here male is produced. And when ZO combine together, they produce the ZO combination and give rise to female. So in nature, two types of sex determination we observe. One type is male heterogamety and second type is female heterogamety. In case of male heterogamety, male produces two types of gamete and the female is homogametic, produces only one type of gamete. But in case of female heterogamety, female produces two types of gamete and the male is homogametic, male produces only one type of gamete. Now we come on our next topic, that is sex determination in case of honeybee. In case of honeybee, what happen in case of honeybee? Three types of honeybee are present in beehives. The first type is queen, which is female with chromosome number 32. Second type of honeybees are workers. They are again female 32 number of chromosomes. Third type of honeybee are males. They are also known as drones with 16 chromosome number. What are their function? Queen always produce eggs and participate in sexual reproduction. Workers are sterile. They do not participate in sexual reproduction. Their function is to produce honeybee. And male only participate in sexual reproduction. So what happened at the time of sexual reproduction in case of honeybee? That is, queen produces egg with 32 number of chromosome, and drones or male produces male gamete with 16 number of chromosome. So how is the gamete formation takes place in case of queens? क्वीन के केस में किस तरह से गैमेट फॉर्मेशन होगा? दैट इज meiosis division takes place and eggs are produced with 16 number of chromosome. What happen in case of males or drones? Mitosis division takes place and it give rise to male gamete with 16 number of chromosome. Now what happens? Egg combined with male gamete and zygote is produced, in which chromosome number is 32. If zygote से डेवलपमेंट होगा और फीमेल हनी बी प्रोड्यूस होती है विथ 32 क्रोमोसोम नंबर. If this female feed on the royal jelly, queen will be produced, and if it participate in formation of honeybee, then the workers will be produced. Both are female. Workers are sterile. They do not participate in the formation of egg only. That is the single queen present in the honeybee which produce the egg and participate in sexual reproduction. सो ड्रॉन्स का कोई फंक्शन नहीं है, सिर्फ वो एग स्पर्म प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करते हैं. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हो जाने के टाइम पर, मेटिंग हो जाने के टाइम पर ड्रॉन्स की डेथ हो जाती है और उसकी लाइफ स्पेन जो है उसी समय ख़त्म हो जाता है और कोई फंक्शन ड्रॉन्स नेचर में परफॉर्म नहीं करते हैं. तो सच टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज़ फाउंड इन केस ऑफ हनी बी, in which queen with 32 chromosome only produces egg and participate in sexual reproduction, feed on the royal jelly, and workers are the female but they are sterile with 32 number of chromosome. They only producing the honeybee and do not produce egg. And male also known as drones with 16 number of chromosome. तो मेल कैसे नेचर में प्रोड्यूस होंगे? जब फर्टिलाइजेशन और मेटिंग होती है तो दैट टाइम ड्रॉन्स ड्रॉप द स्पर्म इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ द क्वीन. तो एग प्रेजेंट इन क्वीन कंबाइंस विद द स्पर्म, जाइगोट इज प्रोड्यूस. तो जब तक स्पर्म रहेंगे तब तक फर्टिलाइजेशन होता रहेगा, जाइगोट बनता रहेगा और उससे फीमेल डेवलप होती रहेंगी. और जब स्पर्म ख़त्म हो जाते हैं उसके बाद जो क्वीन है एग को रिलीज़ करती रहती है और ये एग विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन कन्वर्टिंग इनटू मेल हनी बी. तो यहाँ पर एग से विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन मेल हनी बी की डेवलपमेंट हो रही है. एग में 16 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है तो मेल हनी बी में भी 16 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. Such process is known as the parthenogenesis. Very, very important topic. Parthenogenesis. What is parthenogenesis? That is development of male honeybee without fertilization with the help of egg. or the egg changes into male honeybee without fertilization, this is known as the parthenogenesis. I think the topic is very much clear to you all. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.